welcome. Thank you to you, all my subscribers that keep coming back to watch my videos. I love you all. Thank you so much. You are well appreciated, okay? I don't take it for granted. And if you are watching and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? The usual words, what are you waiting for? Consider subscribing, okay? And if today is the first time you are seeing this face, all right, let me introduce myself. First of all, you are in Thonia's channel, and I am Thonia, a Nigerian based in Italy. And this my channel involves food, lifestyle, vlogs, okay, family, inspirational, and what have you, okay? Here I do it all. So thank you so much for coming. All right. And today's video will be talking about happiness, which is a very essential thing in our lives, a very important thing in our lives, okay? How to be happy no matter what, happiness is very, very important, very necessary in our daily lives, in our lives in total. So stick with me while we go on like that. Okay, all right. I know that a lot of things have happened lately, a lot of things are still happening, okay, with the whole situation, with the way everything is going on, everything with the setback, with the disease and everything that is happening. I know this time may not be the right time to talk about happiness, but please, if this is not the time to talk about happiness, then when is it to talk about happiness? Happiness is very essential in our lives, okay? If you are not happy, it's more or less like you are living dead. Yeah. Okay, I know that there are so many of us that cannot even stand ourselves in the mirror. We can't even look at ourselves in the mirror. We can't even, do the necessary things that will make us happy. I know that happiness means a lot of things to every single person. It all depends on how you view it, okay? Some people may find happiness in what they do. Okay, I know that the world we live now is a very busy world, and sometimes we are busy doing, but we are not really busy doing the right thing. Okay, now since you are already sitting and you are watching me, I want you to sincerely sit down quietly, okay, and genuinely ask yourself these questions. Okay, what do I love doing genuinely? Okay, what genuinely makes my heart smiles, okay? Where do I genuinely love going, and what do I genuinely love to do, and who genuinely do I love to be around with? Okay, when you ask yourself this question, I don't know, it all depends. How many of these questions are you able to get right? To the level where my life has come to so far, to me, happiness means simplicity, okay? Simplicity and having just the basic things of life. Some people may think that them being happy is them getting millions of subscribers. But I bet you, if that is your fame, if that is your belief, that happiness, you never get it. There are so many celebrities, there are so many rich people, there are so many famous people that have it, but still, they are still not complete. Their happiness is still not complete. I know that a lot of things has happened in this 2020, okay? But let's be positive. Let's look at it in the positive side. I see positivity in everything that happens, okay? There is joy in you spending time with your family. There is joy in you doing the things that you love. That is why I want you to just sit and ask yourself, what genuinely makes your heart smile? What genuinely do you love doing? Who genuinely do you love to be with? I think these are the things that really bring you happiness, okay? There is this saying that says that money does not buy happiness. Money does not buy happiness is said in that aspect because there are two things that doesn't go along. But there are so many people out there that are well-to-do that are also happy because they applied their wealth in a genuine way, okay? Some people may think that when they get married, they will be happy. That is not happiness. Happiness is you giving it to yourself. You are the one to give yourself the happiness. Some people think that when they are in a relationship, they won't feel that insecurity again, and then their happiness will come. That is not the happiness. And some people think that when they get the millions, the whole millions in the world, they will get happiness. You will not get happiness. If you are looking for fame to give you happiness, you will never get happiness. And you will keep looking for happiness, but you will never find it in fame. Okay? Happiness is your own responsibility. You are the one to give yourself the happiness that you deserve. And how? First of all, you have to be connected. Connection with your supreme being. And who is your supreme being? It's your God. It's God. It's God. In Him we find joy. In Him we find peace. In Him we find happiness. You must be connected to the supreme being. You must be connected to the one who bought your soul. You must be connected to the one who paid your price, who shed His blood for the love He has for you. You must be connected to Him to be able to find your happiness. And you being connected to God makes you appreciate yourself for whom you really are. Yes, you will be able to look at yourself and boast of yourself for whom you are. You being connected with God will make you know how worthy you are. Your self-worth will build it in you. You must be connected to God to get the happiness that no one can give you except when you are connected. And again, the word of God says, seek ye first the kingdom of God, and every other thing shall be added unto thee. So if you are looking for fame to give you the happiness, you will not get it. You won't even get it. And secondly, you must be connected to your family. There are so many people out there that are doing well outside, but in the house, in their home, things are not okay. There are so many people that outside they are being celebrated, but in their home they are not celebrated. They are not welcome. Of what use is that? So you must have that connection with your family, connection with people. Yes, connection with your family and connection with people. I'm not saying that you must love your family no matter what, because I understand that there are some things that exist between families, okay? Look, your family must have done you a lot of things that you don't like, okay? They must have treated you bad and all of that. But that doesn't mean that you must separate every connection with them. It doesn't make you full. It doesn't give you your completeness, okay? It doesn't make you happy. You must be connected to your family. Your family must have done you a lot of things, but what stands is, it all depends on how you react. Your reaction with everything that they have done is what matters. Why I'm saying this is that you just cannot stand alone. You cannot live alone. Look, if you ask so many people, they will say, I want to be this, I want to be that, I want to achieve this, I want to achieve that. But the question there is, why? Why do you want to achieve that? Why do you want to be like this? Why do you want to be like this? Why do you want to be famous? Why do you want to... If you want to become what you want to become just to get back at somebody, okay? If you want to make it in life just to get back at somebody, you will not get happiness. If you think that you becoming famous will make you get happiness, you will not get happiness. Happiness is derived from you. You are responsible for your happiness. Your connection with God will give you the happiness you want. Your connection with your family and your security will give you the happiness that you deserve, okay? Don't think that being fame can make you complete. It never makes. So, with all I have said so far, my summary of this whole thing is your happiness is your responsibility. It all depends on how you are connected to God. It all depends on how you are connected with your family. It all depends on your life. Are you living a life of only you? Are you living a life of giving? You need to live a life of giving. Extend hands, okay? Let it not be only you. Let it not be always you, I. If you want to be something, if you want to be famous, let it have a purpose. Let it have a means. Let it be to help. You can do it in so many different ways. Your security, okay? So, be in charge of your life and connect with God, with your family, and be sure of your happiness, okay? Your happiness is your responsibility and no one else. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate you all. Thank you. If you have enjoyed the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you all in my next video. Bye. Ciao, ciao.